Showcasing new products to your existing customers is a great way to grow your income. Most customers already have their favourites, the skincare they top up, the mascara they reorder, but when you spotlight something new, you can make extra sales without needing to find extra customers. The Avon brochure does a fab job of showing off new launches all on its own, with gorgeous pics and special offers, but with just a few simple, personal touches from you, those new products can fly. These 8 tips will help your customers get excited about the product and turn that excitement into orders. Let's go! New products catch attention, but they work even harder when people see them in action. Be your own shop window. Pop on that new lipstick or spritz that new fragrance before you go deliver orders. Use the latest serum and mention it when you're chatting with customers. Share a selfie or a quick video to your socials. People love to see real results. Got those lovely regulars who order every month? Let them test out the latest thing first. Ask what they think, and with their permission, pop that feedback onto your stories or posts. Boom! Instant social proof. You can grab samples and demo products from your Rep Focus brochure, so there's something to fit every budget. Look at what your customers already love and suggest its perfect match. Hey, Jenny, you've been loving the renewal serum, right? Well, the matching eye cream just launched. It's the perfect partner. Don't underestimate the digital brochure. It's quick to share and opens the door for a no-pressure convo. Here's the link to this month's brochure. There's a few new bits I think you'll love. Shout if anything jumps out, and I'll pop a sample in if I have one. Send. Help your customers see how it all fits together. Suggest a mini routine or a full glam look using the new product. Hey, that new lip colour would go beautifully with the lip liner you ordered last month. And have you seen the new red shades and the Power Stay nail enamel? That would be a great pairing. Don't just talk about what's in the product, tell them what it does. It's got caffeine and peptides. It helps give your eyes that fresh, well-rested look, like you've had a full 8 hours of sleep. It's a long-lasting formula. No need to top up, it'll last all day. Boost interest with a mini offer. It could be a sample, a prized raw entry, or a free gift. Try the new Amari fragrance this month and I'll pop a mystery sample in your bag. Even a small extra can turn a maybe into a yes. You don't need to buy extras, just work with what you already have, like bits from your starter kit or leftover samples. Samples are magic if you use them wisely. Think of yourself as a matchmaker. Skincare samples for your skincare buyers, lipstick for your makeup lovers, perfume for your fragrance fans. If you have lots of customers, it might be cheaper to get a demo bottle and offer them a spritz instead. You don't have to do all 8. Just try 1 or 2 that you feel confident doing with your next brochure. The brochure does a fab job, but you make the magic happen.